I think it's shocking that Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, which is central to licensing, which is central to investigations, which is central in ensuring their safety, they are not here. And we haven't seen any excuse.
What has really shocked me, the issue in front of us, it touches on air safety. And Chair, as far as air safety is concerned, world over, this is one area which is taken very seriously. And it's a paradox.
Are these people trying to play around with this committee? Are they trying to make us, to intimidate us by copying the letter to the leader of majority so that we don't inquire into the issues? Where have you been, KCA? Where? This is a report prepared by you people, and I table the report, and I say, take your job seriously.
As I said, this Silverstone is engaging in criminal activity, and we invite the DCI to come and on board and investigate Silverstone accordingly.
And we are taking issues of safety of our airspace, and we want to tell Kenyans who are watching us that this committee is active, and it will never be intimidated by any quarter. We represent the people of Kenya. And I will say this as I conclude about that matter, that yes, KCA can hide, but they will not run away.